Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your Apple TV preferred language on Apple TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in our menu. Then we can navigate to the general, scroll down and enter Apple TV languages. And right here you can see all of the languages that you added. You can also add additional options by clicking on the add language on the bottom. Then when you have your language added, you can click on a specific one, like for example, Spanish. And then, we need to click on edit in the top right corner of the screen. And then we can move our language, for example, as I said, Spanish, and then move it up. And now our TV should be set to Spanish. But we also need to confirm it. So make sure to click on done at the top, and as you can see, your language changes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.